Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we shall look at the Xiaomi robot vacuum X Plus and then the Xiaomi robot vacuum X20. So we're going to be comparing these two and we shall see which one is the best. As you can see, the X Plus or the vacuum which is X Plus is this one over here. These are the images. And then the one which is Xiaomi vacuum X20, this one it's over here. So upon this comparison, I think we shall start with the X20 and we shall see its specifications. As you can see, the product name is robot vacuum cleaner, okay, and its model C101. Okay, so let's look at the X Plus specification. It's a model B101GL. Okay, so let's move ahead and then look at the main unit dimension, which is 350 times 103.5 millimeters. And then let's look at the X Plus and we shall see this one is 350 97 millimeters. So this means the X Plus is a bit smaller than the X20 in size. Okay, so let's look at the rated power. Rated power, this one is 55 watts and this is the X20, 55 watts. Then the X Plus is rated voltage is around, actually the X Plus its rated voltage is 70 watts. I mean the rated power is 70 watts. Okay, and then the weight, this one is 0.8 kilograms, which is the X Plus. Then let's see the X20, the weight is 3.85. So which means the X20 is a bit heavy and it takes more space, while the X Plus is a bit light and even doesn't take more space. Okay, so if you look at the rated voltage over here, this one is rated 14.4 voltage, and whereas the X20 is rated 14.4 exactly. But the rated power or the net power over here, it's rated at around it's 55 watts, while this one the X Plus is rated at 70 watts. So according to this comparison over here, I would say the X Plus or the Xiaomi Robot X10 Plus is better than the X20 Plus, according to me, because of the rated power weight watts and even the size itself, and it really looks to be the best in this comparison. But you can also leave your comments in what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.